Welcome to a land of unparalleled natural beauty, Norway. Nestled in the heart of Scandinavia, this country is a testament to the raw power and sublime elegance of Mother Nature. From rugged fjords to snow-capped peaks, Norway's landscapes will leave you breathless. Join us on a mesmerizing journey through the untouched wilderness of this Nordic gem. Norway is synonymous with fjords, and for good reason. These deep, narrow inlets of the sea are carved out by ancient glaciers, leaving behind towering cliffs that plunge dramatically into the water. The glaciers, mountains, and waterfalls showcase raw, sublime power, while natural wonders such as the northern lights, the midnight sun, the fjords, and peaceful national parks offer serenity. Norway, meaning the way leading to the north, is so long that if you spin it around on the map you would end up in Rome. Similar in size to California and with a population of only 5 million people, this Nordic country has plenty of open space to explore. Its stunning fjords, mountains, and natural phenomena such as the northern lights and the midnight sun make Norway a must-visit destination. One-third of Norway lies above the Arctic Circle, making it a great place to witness the midnight sun from May to August. The more north you travel, the longer the duration of the midnight sun, where the sun does not drop below the horizon throughout the entire day. It's an incredibly beautiful experience, almost unreal. The most impressive fjords in Norway, however, are located on the west coast. Tens of thousands of years of glacial erosion have shaped the fjords into beautiful pieces of almost art-like nature. The result is breathtaking natural scenery, steep mountains on both sides with rich waterfalls diving into the blue-green water. The deepest fjords are more than 1,300 meters deep. Rich in animal life and cultural traditions, the fjords in Norway are a great destination to explore the country. Sognefjorden, Norway's deepest and longest fjord, easily connects you to the Jotunheimen National Park. Norway's highest mountain, and also the highest mountain in Northern Europe, Galdhøpiggen, is located here and stands 2,469 meters above sea level. There are more than 250 mountain peaks in total, each one over 2,000 meters high. Immerse yourself in Norway's lush, mystical forests. Towering pines and ancient oaks create a cathedral-like atmosphere, where the air is filled with the scent of pine needles and the songs of birds. Discover the hidden gems of Norway's verdant valleys. Surrounded by towering peaks, these fertile valleys are dotted with charming villages, crystal-clear rivers, and meadows bursting with wildflowers. Norway's glaciers have left behind a legacy of stunning lakes, each with its own unique character. From the azure depths of Jølstravatnet to the mirror-like surface of Jotunheimen's lakes, these bodies of water provide a tranquil backdrop to Norway's rugged terrain. Immerse yourself in the heart of Norway's untamed beauty as we embark on a journey through its enchanted forests. This captivating realm, rich with ancient trees and whispered secrets, invites you to witness nature's quiet symphony. Step into a world where time slows, and the whispers of the trees echo through the air. Norway's forests are more than just a collection of trees. They are living, breathing storytellers, each leaf and branch holding centuries of history. Trollstigen, or the Troll's Path, is a place of myth and legend, where moss-covered rocks and gnarled trees seem to guard secrets untold. As you traverse this path, you'll feel the ancient magic that permeates every stone and leaf. The forest floor is a tapestry of mosses and lichens, creating a surreal, almost fairy tale-like ambience. These humble plants play a crucial role in the forest's delicate balance, and their presence adds to the enchantment of this woodland world. Every tree in Norway's forests bears witness to centuries of history. Traces of human life, from ancient petroglyphs to the marks of woodsmen, are etched into the bark of these venerable giants. Witness the ever-changing face of Norway's forests as they transition through the seasons. From the vibrant hues of autumn to the quiet stillness of winter, each season brings its own magic to this woodland wonderland. Thank you for embarking on this journey through Norway's captivating nature and enchanting forests with me. Exploring the ancient woodlands and serene landscapes of Norway is a reminder of the profound connection we have with the natural world. The towering trees, tranquil streams, and vibrant wildlife serve as a testament to the resilience and splendor of Mother Earth. Your support and curiosity mean the world to me. By watching and engaging with this video, you've not only connected with Norway's breathtaking landscapes but also contributed to the appreciation and preservation of our planet's natural wonders. If you found this video inspiring or informative, please consider giving it a thumbs up, leaving a comment, or even sharing it with fellow nature enthusiasts. Your engagement helps spread the beauty and importance of preserving these precious environments. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more adventures in nature and exploration of awe-inspiring landscapes. Your support fuels my passion for sharing the wonders of our world. Thank you once again for being a part of this journey. I look forward to our future explorations together. Until then, may you find inspiration and tranquility in the natural wonders that surround you. With gratitude and warm regards, explore for free.
you.